How to change name on Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can change name on Upwork. So if that is your question, don't worry, just watch this video till the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the home page looks like. On this page, you would see several jobs that you can apply for by the time you scroll down. And then by the right side of the screen, you also see more details about your profile. Then for you to be able to change your name, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. Once you've clicked on this, click on settings in the box displayed. Once you click on settings, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to verify by re-entering your password. Alright, once that is done, you'll be brought to your page entirely, that is your account, your settings page entirely, where you'll be brought automatically to contact info. Now our focus is on this contact info page under your account. So for you to change your name, just tap on the pencil icon here, and once you've done that, you can see first name, last name. So yeah, if you want to change this name, just tap on the name you would love to change, highlight it and erase it, and then type out the recent name or the name you want to use. And then once you're done, click on update, and then just like that, the name would be changed. So this is how you can change your Upwork username on Upwork. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.